right. I believe you just tuned in. You're welcome to Crypto Wealthy. Yeah, I had a little glitch with my my internet. Alright, let's see what's happening here. Alright, we still have this coin moving up. It's falling just a little bit, but it's rising again. I believe in this coin. It's rising again. There's hope. There's hope. Alright, so more people are joining. As you can see, this was the 24-hour volume. So it's a 24-hour volume. Pardon me for the background noise. I know they decide to make noise when I'm streaming live. So a few people were withdrawing here and there, but it's still moving. I believe in this coin. It's going to go up because, as I said early on, I bought around this point. Where is it? I wish I had bought around this point because I wasn't aware of the project early on. Let me see. I bought around this area. I bought here 0.6, and that is why you need to subscribe to this channel so you have first-hand information before many others. Right, so I bought here, but I wish I had bought here, which was, I think, how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 zeros and a 2, but I bought around 10 zeros and a 6, and right now we have 9 zeros and a 2. We keep moving. Yeah, so that's it. We keep moving. So you would like to join, subscribe to the channel, and have first-hand information. So let's hear what I think I lost connection, so let's hear what Romano has to say.
Hello guys of Mini Football from Fabrizio Romano. I know your project launching a game, this Mini Football reward system, something really interesting. So I want to wish you all the best for this project of Mini Football from Fabrizio Romano, pushing a lot for your success in this project, trusting this process, and I'm sure you will do great things. So giving back these match tickets will be so interesting. So good luck guys for Mini Football. I really like this project, and I'm sure
pushing. I like the way you said a pushing.
Of course, how I can say, here we go. Ciao.
I like the way you said the pushing. Let me go back.
Fabrizio Romano, pushing a lot.
Pushing a lot.
This project.
I like that.
Trusting
I like the Italian
process, and I'm sure you will do
trusting
great
the process.
Things. So giving back these match tickets will be so interesting. So good luck guys for Mini Football. I really like this project, and I'm sure you will do great things. Fabrizio Romano, of course, how I can say.
Yeah.
Here we go. Ciao from Fabrizio from Italy. Mini Football.
Yeah, good. Now let's hear what Aldrich had to say.
My name is John Aldrich from Republic of Ireland, Liverpool player, amongst other great teams. I just want to give Mini Football a massive big shout. It's a new project, so I believe, and they're launching the game and plan to reward the community with a massive big shout. It's a new project, so I believe, and they're launching the game and plan to reward the community with match tickets, which is a fantastic. I just want to give Mini Football a massive big shout. It's a new project, so I believe, and they're launching the game and plan to reward the community with match tickets, which is a fantastic idea, I have to say. And I hope it works well for everyone, you know.
Yeah. So that's about it. I'm having slow internet, so I'm just trying to manage. So I'm going to pause it for now, but you get the whole concept, right? So this is the process: how to buy, download Trust Wallet or MetaMask. The apps are secure and widely used in the DeFi market, and that is the MetaMask suggested. Remember to never share your seed phrase. Good. Fund your wallet. Purchase BNB or Binance Smart Chain to fund your wallet. These coins are used in the Binance Smart Chain. So once again, if you don't know how to go about the buying process, I have a video on that on my channel. You can also visit the channel and just peruse around, just move around, explore, and watch the videos I have uploaded. And you realize that even as you find the procedure in purchasing the coin order, you're going to find other video predictions I made, and the coins have grown massively. So you don't want to miss out on it. You want to take advantage and benefit. Okay. So let me know your thoughts. What are you investing in, and how much have you made? 2x, 3x, 5x, 10x, 100x? Let me know in the comment section. Yeah. So this is their roadmap. The first phase is the goalkeeper phase. So they are trying to do everything football. Goalkeeper phase, marketing push, website launch, huge influencers, 5k Telegram members, and a pre-sale announcement. So we have already bypassed phase 1 of the project, because you can see that everything here is checked. Everything is checked. Hold on. And then phase 2 is the defenders, or the defenders. Successful launch. Yes, we have that. Dex 2 trending, Reddit trending, Coin Hunt, Coin Sniper, influencer marketing push, static audit, which is still in progress. And that is why it's not a check mark, but rather a circle that is almost full. Listing on CoinGecko, listing on CoinMarketCap, 25k Telegram subscribers, which means that they are in between 5k and 25k, right? So if you should check their Telegram, we will find that they have 25k, so they have bypassed that milestone, right? Then prize draws go live. Big manual burn. Listing on CEX. And then football ads on big games. Expansion of core team. Marketing prior to first game release. So they are yet to get to the phase 3. So you realize that none of them is checked. Phase 3 midfielders, none of them is checked, because they haven't completed phase 2 yet. They are left with, they've actually checked 25k Telegram members. They are yet to do the prize draws go live, and then the static audit. I don't know whether they've started the prize draws, but I would have to visit the group and check. Right, and then we have phase 3, oh yes, which hasn't been done. So definitely phase 4 hasn't been accomplished yet. So that is it for mini football. This is the team. I think we are lacking the other pictures, but this is the CEO and the lead developer. And this meet our CEO. What does he have to say? What does he have to say?
Good afternoon, everybody. My name's Andy McKenzie. Hello, good afternoon, everybody. My name's Andy McKenzie, the CEO and lead developer of Mini Football. I just wanted to send you a quick video and tell you how excited I am for the pre-sale tomorrow. If you haven't already, please.
Alright, so I understand once they hit 25k Telegram members, they're going to start the pre-sale. So it is today. Right, it is today.
Enter our giveaway and join the voice chat later on today. Myself and the rest of the
Alright,
team.
so they're having a voice chat today. It's probably started. Let me check it out. Yeah, so the voice chat has begun. All right, so I'm hoping to join the voice chat to find out what's going on, but before that, I'll check other coins, other trending coins. Let's check Treat DAO, which is at the top mover position today. That's the first position is Treat DAO. It just moved from 5 to 6. Wow, there was a massive shoot here. Let me go to 1 day move. Yes. Wow. I missed this move. With a volume, it traded a volume of $7.5 million. I missed this move so bad. $1. So if I had bought even about $20, I'll be having 20 coins. And by the time it gets here to 816, I should have $160 from $20. That would be about almost 10x. Wow, I missed out on this. But this was another opportunity to enter. But at this point, you feel like the coin is probably going to die. But people with hope entered at $3, and then they are earning extra $3 on it. This massive 3x. So if I put in $100, I'll be getting 300. Massive move. Treat DAO. Wow. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. What is going on? Thanks for the like. I see a like. We are live discussing the coins that are trending. My name is Danny Legend, and welcome to Crypto Wealthy Trending Coins. Mohammed Simo, you're welcome. Let's get rich. All right, so you can see a few coins also trending here, but I'm going to talk about that later. For now, we are looking at Treat DAO, which I've missed so much. But I don't know about you, but I prefer to buy coins with many zeros, so I can double my money faster because it looks plenty and it looks promising. But then if the zeros are not plenty and it's just $1, sometimes I'm a little bit skeptical because it might go down to maybe 0.002. Then you've really lost a lot. You've lost more than 100% of it, or even 500% of it. So I really like to go for coins that have smaller values like mini football, Ryoshi. But then there is an issue with Ryoshi token. I learned the Ryoshi token is a scam, but I don't know, it's still trending. I don't know whether people are now able to withdraw or not. But these meme tokens, there was a report about the Ryoshi token where people were commenting on my video in my channel that it's a scam, they cannot withdraw, and so on and so forth. So guys, please do your due diligence in being sure that you can withdraw the coin. So maybe when it goes up a little bit, try to withdraw and see before you invest more. I think that way you'll be safe. All right, so we have Zoom token. I didn't see this Zoom token. Is there any other token you want me to talk about? If you want me to talk about a token, let me know in the comment section. You're welcome as always. It says Zoom token is moving to Binance chain. Click here to read more about this. So let's check what it's saying. I'll close the mini football. I'm just excited about mini football. It's going back up again. All right, so for those who missed out, I'm just so this is what excites me. The fact that we have celebs on it excites me. It means that people are going to purchase, people are going to believe in it, and it means that these zeros we have here which were 10 initially, are now 9. It's possible to get to 7, and I would have, got it to about 500x on my money. It's exciting. So I don't know about you, but I'm investing in this. Right? And I was telling myself that if this goes down to, because I entered around 10 zeros and a 6. All right, 10 zeros and 6.5. When I saw the dip here and it went up and it dipped again, then I bought the dip. So I mean about 3x now. Okay, 3x. It's gotten to 201. Right, it will be updated soon. But I wish I'd gotten here 10 zeros and a 2. But well, we can't cry over spilled milk, so we just have to go with the flow. But I told myself if it's going to dip, then I'm going to buy, because I believe that these celebs behind it are going to push it, are going to cause the price to skyrocket. All right, so I'll just close this for now. Maybe if I'm too when I get so excited about it, I'm going to come back again and look at it. All right, so we have the Zoom token. It says until the bridge is active, ERC20 BSC swap operations will be performed manually. So how do I swap? I don't want to go through all this trouble. I'll just wait for it to be on Binance chain, and then I'll do my swapping. Right. So for Zoom, we have 4 zeros and a 4. Mohammed says, thanks for the mini football coin. You're welcome. Always welcome. Do well to leave a comment, a like, and also subscribe as I bring you news on what is trending. Now, take a look at the Zoom token. This is the fun thing about these meme coins. Sometimes you might lose hope. Okay, let's look at the weekly chart. Sometimes you might lose hope because at this point in time, when it was 4 zeros and a 5 and it dropped to 4 zeros and a 2, you might withdraw and miss out on this fun, because you see the market shoots up again, 4 zeros and a 4, which is 2x of your money. So if you came in here and sometimes, because this whole thing is speculative, is it all depends on hope and belief of people. So if I come in here and I enter and I feel okay, it's gonna, but maybe it's gonna go up some more, so let me just hold on and wait, and I wait and it drops and never goes back up, then I feel like an idiot. I feel like I should have taken it when it went up. But you never know, because this entire thing is speculative. It's all speculation. You never know. So sometimes if you want to play safe, what you do is you withdraw when you have enough profit. But for me, I feel like if the coin has so much potential, I'm just going to hold on till I see that even if it drops, I'm not going to be in a loss. Then I know I'm safe. So a coin like NFT Art Finance, when it came out, I invested very early, so I withdrew part of it and I left the other for it to run. And when I saw the coin became almost useless, and I withdrew it. So that's how it works. You want to be taking profits along the line, and the painful part is sometimes when you take the profit and it doesn't it doesn't fall and it keeps going up, you also feel stupid about it. So there's the Zoom token that is also running up massively. If you invested here, you would have made 2x on your money in just less than 1 hour. 2x on the money, right? So this thing is worth it, even though it's risky. You always have to invest what you can afford to lose. Let's look at other coins. What coin do you want to look at? Let me know in the comment section. All right, Dama Cash. Let's see Dama Cash. 80 cents or 81 cents. Dama Cash seems to be good. It's risen up by nearly 250%. Now this is it. This is it. This is always happening. You would have the coin moving sharply to the top, and then it falls down, and some way somehow in the future it finds itself back up again. So somewhere June, around June thereabout, we had a sharp rise. So June into August, we had a sharp rise. So it moved from 14 cents to $1. $1.08. That is 10x on your money. That is 10x on your money. 10x. And even if you came here, you would have 4x on your money. $4x. That's Dharma Cash. Right. And then let's look at this one coin I didn't want to make a video on, but eventually it proved me wrong. The Orica coin. I didn't want to make a video on this, but some way somehow it found itself shooting up. Right. And the Orica coin has really surprised me, because around this area, let me go to 7 days. Is it 7 days? No, was it yet? It was 2 days ago. 2 days ago. So I'm going to check when I should have made a video, because I was rooting for this coin at the beginning. I was prepared to make a video. I almost did 2 days ago. So today is 20th August. On the 18th of August, which was somewhere, where is it? 18th of August. Somewhere here. Yes, this sharp rise here. And this sharp rise, I was going to make a video on Orica as a good buy, a very, very good buy token. But then I hesitated, and guess what? It shot up today to $2.70. So I would have made a video around 90 cents, and if I had bought even just $10, that would have been if I'd bought $10, yes, that would have been around 90 of the Orica coins. So 90 of the Orica coins times 2 will be 180 from $10 to $180. But I missed out on it. Yes. But one thing I'm still rooting for is the mini football token. The mini football token, treat DAO might fall because of this quick percentage increase. And Dharma Cash, I'm now seeing the Dharma Cash. I've seen J-Box for a while now, but I've also not talked about it. J-Box is less than a cent, and it's risen, I think, in the last 24 hours by 164%. But then this coin came all the way from 2020. So I mean, I would have not invested in this, because it's taking a long time to rise. It's taking a year to rise, so I wouldn't have invested in this. But see this rise here from less than 1 cent to 3 cents. Wow. So those who kept their hopes alive had something to rejoice about. And then from all this point, it's just been less than 2 cents, 0.002 for a long time. If you just joined me, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification icon to always get first-hand information on trending coins, right? I'm always at the charts doing the work for you. What do we have here? The Beast token. I also saw this some time ago. I have a video on this NFT tone, and this is moving massively. NFT tone is moving massively. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 zeros and a 1. 8 zeros and a 1. But it started around 9 zeros and a 5. Even this point, the lowest point here was, I can't seem to access it because it's a little bit tiny. All right, so we had 9 zeros and a 5, and it moved up until 8 zeros and a 1. 8 zeros and a 1. That is 9 zeros and a 5, 8 zeros and a 1 is 2x on your money. That's 2x on your money, which is worth the investment. I mean, if you placed in $10 just to test the waters, you would have 20, and then you withdraw. you are good to go. The gas fee, B&B gas fee, will probably be around 60 cents. So you would have made $9.04, right? So it's just been a short time frame. Within 24 hours, we have the coin moving from 9 zeros and a 9 to even this point, this high point. It was here for about 1 hour, 30 minutes. It was here for 30 minutes. So you could have made 2x in 30 minutes on your coin here within one day, 19th to 20th, right? Good. But the disadvantage of it is that you might be sleeping when it shoots up. You might be sleeping within that time. Okay, so CamRocket has been trending for a long time. This coin has been trending. It has 4.8 million market cap. This coin has been trending for a long time. It shot up to 28 cents. 28 cents from 001. 28 cents from 001. So if I placed in $10, let's assume I placed in $10, right? At 001, $10. $10 divided by 0.001, I would have gotten 10,000 CamRocket coins, right? 10,000 CamRocket coins times 28 cents, okay, the peak. So 10,000, right, times 28 cents is going to give me 2,800. From $10, I'll be getting $2,800 from this coin. This is why this is quite an investment. This is quite an investment. From $10, you'll be getting $2,800 from investing in CamRocket. And now the price has fallen a little bit and is going back up. But this was a high point. This was a resistance. That means that people were noticing the price, the highest price they could ever get to, and they were willing to sell from that point. Right, so once there was a new high, people started selling again, and it's gone down and it's rising slowly again. So this coin kind of has a future. It has 4.9 million worth of dollars invested into it. That's serious. So it's also called Camis. All right, so we have coins, Scanner Chain. Once you're new here, you can hit the subscribe button and get info, first-hand info on coins that are trending, so that you can join and make gains on your money. As it stands, I've made close to 4x on mini football coin. The mini football coin has celebrities behind it, and it's increasing. It has 9 zeros and a 2, but I entered at 10 zeros and a 6. So I've made almost 4x on my money. I've not withdrawn yet. I'm still waiting, because the celebs behind this are going to cause it to move to probably 7 zeros and a 1 or 6 zeros and a 1. This is possible. So I'm just holding on, just being patient. Right, so let's look at Scanner Chain. Scanner Chain, smash the like button and enjoy the exploration I'm doing here. All right, thanks for joining. So Scanner Chain dropped. It didn't start so well, because I'm looking at the all-time chart, and this didn't start so well. It was launched last year, February. Usually I don't want to invest in coins that have stayed more than a year on the market and it's not showing any signs of growth. Usually I don't want to invest in such coins, because I feel it's not going to grow at all. Okay, so I prefer to invest in coins that are less than a year old, preferably within 3 months, and have some growth potential, so I don't end up losing my money, because I'm here to make quick gains. I mean, that's all meme tokens are about. They're about quick gains. I remember investing $5 and making 180 on baby cake, but I don't know, there was a problem with withdrawing, and they gave me back the same amount I invested in, which I felt was too bad. I don't know whether there was an issue with their system or not. Perhaps there was a sharp drop in the price. Anyway, so as I was saying, Scanner Chain I don't think I would invest in this, so I'm not even going to talk about it. Right, then we look at, I've been seeing Aspire for a while now, but I haven't really taken time to look at it. Let's check Aspire. The Aspire coin or token is now at 10 cents. Wow, it's moving massively. Aspire is moving massively. Within 24 hours, we have an increase in 218% of the price, but the trading volume has fallen, which means that people are taking out their money. It's fallen by 0.38%. People are disbelieving in the coin, because crypto, the way crypto rises is that people have to believe in the coin. Once they believe, it's going to rise. Once they have despair or they stop believing, it goes down. That is how it works. Right. So you see a sharp rise here. How many X would we have made on this if we were to invest? So we have 2 cents rising up to about 10 cents. That is 5X on your money. So if I place in $50, I'll be earning $250. This is quick money, bro. This is a system of quick money. And if that is what you seek to gain, I mean, this is your place. It's all risk. Now, mini football, which I have been talking about so much, was trading at a trading volume of 2 million, but is now at 4,172,632, because there are celebs behind this coin, and I have invested. So I'm just waiting for 7 zeros and a 1. Then probably I'll have around probably $800, close to $1,000, and I'm good to go. Right, so Ryoshi, I learned, is giving scammy issues, so please be careful if you want to invest in that coin. I've talked about NFT Tron on my channel already. I spoke about it before. It shot up by 100%. So what you want to do is to subscribe, so you have first-hand info. Let's take a look at Bunny Park. Has risen by 85%, which means that it was in the cents. It had probably 80 cents or 90 cents, and then we see it rising by 85% within 24 hours. So all these percentage changes here are 24-hour records of the performance of the coin. Right, 38 million. Wow, this had so much investment. Bunny Park, 38 million. Right, but this started around 80 cents or 81 cents, which was probably the same thing around this area. So if I invested 2 days ago, I should be having about 2x on my money. 2x on my money. You're welcome to Crypto Wealthy. I'm Danny Legend. Subscribe and stay in the know. Thanks for hitting the like button. I trust you're enjoying the stream. What coin should we invest in? What are you looking at? Will Blaze says, I made 1K on mini football already. Congratulations, bro. Congrats. I'm happy for you. I wish I had invested more than that. I wish I had invested about $50 at least. But I went for something small because I felt, let me just give it a try. But then later on, I saw that no, this thing has massive potential. Once I saw ACN, Aldridge, and Fabrizio, I was like, no, I'm going to invest. I'm going to buy this. But I should have bought more than that. Oh, right. So all the best. Are you withdrawing anytime soon? Limestone Network. Mini football, yeah, we go because it has 9 zeros and a 2. So I keep telling people this thing is going to go up. I'm looking at 7 zeros and a 2, at least 7 zeros and a 2, because I entered when it was 10 zeros and a 6. Right, so I'm all hyper about mini football, so hyper about it. And we have a Crypto Zoo. I've seen a trend for a while now, but I haven't really Crypto Zoo, 3 zeros and a 4. Rhinos Finance Dump. Huyumoto says Rhinos Finance Dump. What do you mean by that? Should I check that coin? Okay, let me type it in here. I'll open a new tab and then check for it. Will Blaze invested 260. Wow. Then you really believed in it. Good. It's good. That's great. So you can imagine those who invested about $1,000 probably having 5,000 by now. So Rhinos Finance, who you said I should check Rhinos Finance. Oops, this has fallen deeply. Even the trading volume has dropped. I'm sure you invested in this. Wow. And that is why I never want to buy a meme token when it shoots up to this level. When I see it as a small price and it shoots up to this level, I never want to invest because this is bound to happen. But if you invested somewhere here, somewhere around 17th, 18th August, I think you shouldn't withdraw. You should hold on, because you are bound to have another peak. In about 2-3 days, you should have another peak. All right, this is peak around this area, right? According to my base technical analysis, you should have a peak around that area. So if you're new here, hit the subscribe button and always stay in the know. Let's talk about what is trending and grow together. Double, triple, quadruple, quadruple our money together. Right, so this has fallen by 38%. I think it's not a good investment if you are now going to enter. But if you're already in it, I think you should hold on, because it looks like it's going to blow very, very soon. So Crypto Zoo has 3 zeros and a 4, which is 1 cent divided into 100, right? So this started. Wow. This is what I always dread. I always dread missing coins that are going to grow so big. Because this was 4 zeros and a 5. 4 zeros and a 5, and now you have 3 zeros and a 4, which is 10x. Basically, this is 10x. 10x on your money. $10 giving you $100. $100 giving you 1,000. This is the real get rich quick scheme. And this has $16.7 million worth of investment. That is a trading volume within 24 hours. It's just gone up. It was 4.1, it's now 4.2. So Crypto Zoo has gone up one more time. Okay, do you think it's worth the investment now? Let me know your thoughts. Should you invest now? Will Blaze says he's holding to a hit 0.01. Are you sure it's going to hit 0.01? Probably in 10 years time. But I think maybe along the line you would like to withdraw. Just maybe. Right, so I really dread missing out on coins like these, which was 4 zeros and a 6 to about 3 zeros and a 4. I mean, you have a solid 10x. Look at where it started. 10x, solid 10x. Okay, but I don't think I'm going to withdraw my money when it hits 10x. I'm just going to look at it and smile and just be happy I invested in mini football. That's all I'm going to do. Any coin you want us to look at, I'm just going through. Gasp, we have Gasp coin. I've not seen that yet. And then the Strike coin. This is all about get rich quick. So this is why I do my calculations on the prices I could have earned. I made a calculation on one of the coins, which was going to earn us $2,800 from just $10. So this is the real get rich quick scheme. Tenshi is on. He says Tenshi is on. Tenshi. Let me check for Tenshi. You're welcome to Crypto Wealthy. Whilst you're here, hit the subscribe button and let's grow together. Let's get rich together. That's the whole point. It says Tenshi has undergone 1:0.03 swap. Kindly check the official announcement here. Let me check the charts. What's going on here? Tenshi is dropping. Blaze. Tenshi is dropping. So what do? There's 384,000 worth of dollars invested into this coin within 24 hours. Blaze says my friend bought Tenshi when it first came out with $50. He's at $300K right now. I can't believe it. Wow. You know what I can do with that money? You know what kind of businesses you can start with that money? $300K. That's serious. Guys, this is the real get rich quick scheme. This is it. I'm telling you, I'm holding on to mini football because that coin is going to go up. I believe in ACN, Aldridge, and Fabrizio behind it. That's the best you can get, guys. So at the end of the day, you can gather $1,000 or $500, $200, and just divide that $200 into about 10, 20, 20, 20, 20, and look for 10 solid mint tokens that are going to grow. 100x potential gem coins, 1000x potential gem coins that are going to grow, and then you invest into it. Will says it's possible, bro. My friend did that in a month. Just look at Safe Moon. Look at how Safe Moon grew. Consider Safe Moon. Okay, Safe Moon. Look at how it grew. It was just crazy. It now stands at about 5 zeros and a 1. But let's look at the all-time chart of Safe Moon. Look at Safe Moon. Started with how many zeros? 8 zeros, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 zeros and... No, 8. No, yes, 7 zeros and a 4. 7 zeros and a 4. So if this increased to about here, if you withdrew around April 20th and 21st, you would have gotten 4 zeros and a 1. Okay, so let's assume I took $10 and I invested in Safe Moon when it was around $7 and a 4. I'll calculate here. Right, $7 and a 4. I invested $10. I'm going to divide it by 0.70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, right? And a 4. Okay, so I had around 250 million Safe Moons. Okay, now 250 million Safe Moons times 0.1234 zeros and a 1 gives me $2,500. So if I invested $10 in Safe Moon when it began, I was going to have $2,500 around April. So if I invested in March $10, just $10 in March, by April 20th, which is the next month, I'll be earning $2,500 worth of cash. That's a big thing. And Will says, I missed that train, but Tenshi is still going to make you money. You believe so? Because I don't feel the Tenshi chart is convincing enough. I don't know. Maybe I might consider it, but currently we see it's going up a little bit. Let me see. August 15th. Tenshi. Okay, yes, there's a likely rise here. Yeah, it's going to rise from here, definitely, because it has to hit this resistance mark. It's going to rise from here. So you probably bought around 1 cent, right? 1 cent. You can make, this is less than 2x on it. Well, it's possible this can even reach $1 in the future. It's possible. Anything can happen. Well, it's all about the news, because crypto is about news and speculations and hopes and fear and doubts and all that. So there's a possibility that Tenshi is going to grow. Yeah, but I'm a little bit skeptical about it. Safe Moon is a 3-year plan. 3 years. But I don't know, anytime Safe Moon releases a new announcement, the price goes down. Have you ever noticed? Because I saw this thing amongst my friends. Whenever Safe Moon released a new announcement, the price dropped again. So I was like, what's going on with Safe Moon? All these places were new announcements, and whenever it came out, the price dropped again. So I don't know. Maybe a lot of people have stopped believing in Safe Moon. I don't know what's happening. But for the past 24 hours, we have a little rise here. I'll check the daily chart. A little rise here. Yeah, it's been rising for for one full day it's been rising. It was around 3 p.m. to about 2:55 p.m. There's been a little rising safe moon. Yes, I think there's a long-term plan. It's a long-term plan. It will probably be like the Dogecoin, because Dogecoin, even around 2014 2015, Doge was around, but was still way less than a cent. And at that time I didn't know anything about crypto, which was my disadvantage. I didn't know anything about crypto. I'd heard of Bitcoin back in school, but then I thought it was just one of those trends that's just going to pass. But if I really knew I was coming to stay, then I would have invested in Bitcoin and Safe Moon and the likes, Dogecoin. Because at the time I heard of Bitcoin, it was around $40 for one Bitcoin. And I felt, oh, that was too expensive. So imagine if I just bought one Bitcoin. And if I had a time machine, there's only one thing I'm going to ask, that it should take me back to 2010 so that I can buy some Bitcoins. I'm probably going to buy about 100 million Bitcoins and just relax and watch everyone else. That's just a fantasy. No more dips. Yeah, you can buy no more dips. Yeah. So, and that is why a lot of people took advantage of the Bitcoin dip when it dipped to about 28,000, because that was the lowest in a long time. So everyone felt that this is the opportunity to jump on again. Right. So let's see what's happening. Treat is still going up. Wow. It's still going up, because it was around $6. Street DAO was around $6, but it's now at $6.63. And mini football is going up again. I'm so happy about it. Ryoshi has also taken the lead. Ryoshi token has taken the lead. Aspire is also following suit. Treat DAO is kind of expensive. That is why I didn't go in. I wanted many zeros, at least 6-7 zeros, then I have some hope that it's going to clear some of the zeros. But if it's around $1, $2, $10, no, I'm not really going to purchase that. But surprisingly, it's increased by 41,000% in trading volume over the past 24 hours. That's $3.1 million. Wow, $3.1 million. The finances are huge. The price change has also gone up. This was the price change. It was around $4.98 24 hours ago. So if you bought even $100, you would have gained about $200 on your money. That's 2x. Almost 2x. It's massive. So if you just joined this live stream, this is Crypto Wealthy Trending Coins. My name is Danny Legend, and you can hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification icon to always get a heads up when a coin is about to trend or when a coin is about to be launched. There's one coin I want to show you guys, which is Bull Rise coin. Bull Rise, is it .com? Yes, this is it. And the Bull Rise, I'm waiting for the launch date. The address will be out soon. It hasn't been officially launched, but then the address will be out after they reach 1,000 members on Telegram. So I'm in the Telegram group and I'm waiting on Bull Rise. Bull Rise is just about to be launched. It says a buyback hyper deflationary token. Bull Rise holders are not only benefited through static rewards, but also by the buyback process of the contract. As part of the buyback process, contract takes care of buying back some of the tokens and bend them whenever a whale is selling, right? So they are trying to solve the whole whale issue. Okay, so that is Bull Rise, and I'm on the Telegram page and I'm watching it closely because it hasn't been launched yet. So if you invest about $50 in it and it clears about 3 zeros, you've made a lot. And there's 100 billion total supply. And I think, they should be reducing the supplies, because when it's too much, it creates a problem. they are 50% burned already, 50% pancake listing, which means that they are almost done with the pancake listing. Their contract will be out very soon. Bull Rise is on Telegram. They have almost 1,000 members. Let me show you the group. I'm on the group already, and I'm watching so closely. They were having a quiz. They have 594 now. They are 594 now. Okay. So I'm just waiting on 1,000 to see what they're going to do. Right. So let's come back here. Bull Rise is almost being launched. Ryoshi token, people are complaining about it, that is a scam, they cannot withdraw and whatnot, but then people are still buying. I don't know what's happening. People are still buying Ryoshi token, even though I learned there's a scam, a whole scam thing going on. People are still investing in this, and in 24 hours we have 863. This is what happened with the Ryoshi token. It shot up massively. Will says Kishu Inu is the future. It's the same people who made Tenshi. The problem is the miner fee is too much. I bought $100 and the miner fee was $40, so I got $60 Kishu. Kish Inu or Kishu. Yeah, Kishu Inu. Or how do you call it? Kishu, right? Right. So I don't know what is wrong with this whole fee system. Some of them have very low, extremely low fees, and others too have extremely high fees. I don't know. It's just too bad. So some of the coins, when they launch, one of their selling points or their marketing points is that they are charging low fees on that, and so it's kind of an incentive for people to jump on the coin. So let me take a look at. Yeah, so this is Ryoshi token, and it's just been going up and down and causing a lot of havoc. There are people claiming it can be withdrawn, but I don't know how come people are able to withdraw their money and buy again. I don't know, maybe they have a withdrawal limit, because sometimes when that happens, it simply means that the coin makers or the meme token creators have a limit. They have a limit to how much can be withdrawn per time. And also some of them set a certain number of withdrawal times you can make. So they might have a rule that you cannot withdraw twice within 24 hours. So such coins, even though they shoot up, you can't really withdraw as much. Okay, so let's look for Kish Inu, like you were saying. Kishu Inu. All right, Kishu Inu. Kishu is a sleeper that I think will do really good. How many zeros? I'm always interested in the number of zeros it has. 1, 2. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, okay. That's good. Wow, but it's really slept, because it went as high as 7 zeros and a 1. Right? 7 zeros and a 1. And it started with 9 zeros and a 2. Has really fallen. But it can go up again, because once a coin spikes this way, there's a high probability that it's going to spike again. It's a high probability that once a coin spikes this way, it's going to spike again. It's very possible. And it has 3.3 million trading volume within 24 hours, which is solid. Yeah, that's good. And it's risen from 0.772 to 88 within 24 hours. Right. 100 billion supply, 22% market volume, and we have fully diluted market cap of 88 million. So this is the entire money that has gone into it, but this is the money that has gone to it within 24 hours. So it just dropped 87. Yes, but it's likely to shoot up again. I mean, once Bitcoin has started picking itself up, this is also going to follow suit. This crash in most of the meme tokens is because of the Bitcoin drop. Most of the coins have this slope because of the Bitcoin drop. because Bitcoin is the mother of all cryptos. So once the mother goes up, they go up. Once the mother falls, they fall. So what are we looking at? Strike coin doesn't strike me. Moon Lana. Do you also have this kind of instinct kind of selection when you're looking at the coins? You just feel like a coin is going to move. Starbase. I bought Starbase. And I sold it. Yeah, I sold Starbase because it wasn't going up, so I sold it. Let me see. Oh no, I should have kept it. Should have kept my Starbase because I bought it. Was it the 18th? I bought it on the 18th. Yeah, around this area. And when it was going down, and it came up just a little bit, I sold it. I should have waited because it dropped. It dropped and it left the gainers page. So I was like, maybe this coin is dead. It's dead. But I didn't know it's going to go up. Wow. So the trading volume keeps increasing. And here it's dropped a little bit. So as people were withdrawing here, you see we had 132,000. As people started withdrawing, I also withdrew my money because I thought it was a failure. And some of the things that attract me are the logo and then the website and the message that is presenting. So when I look at all these things, I'm like, okay, it looks good. Something like Bull Rise has a nice website, great communication, nice logo, and I feel like it's something that is catchy and a lot of people are going to jump on. So I invest. Then we have Moon Lana. Wow, has shot to the moon. To the moon, bro. To the moon. 4 zeros and a 7. Up onto 2 zeros and a 2. Wow. 2.9 million within 24 hours. This market is huge. Will says, I'm keeping my eyes on Akita. Akita sounds Asian. Akita. Akita. Let's see Akita. Akita Inu. Five zeros and a 1. I think you really like the Inu coins, eh? Will is into Inu coins. Akita Inu. Which was, it started, I think as at this, it was in a pre-sale phase. Pre-sale phase with about 7 zeros and a 2. Moving as high as, I can't keep it stable. 4 zeros and a 2. So 7 zeros and a 2 to 4 zeros and a 2. That is about 100x. 100x on your gains. And at this point, I always tell people, don't buy at the peak. Don't buy. You are just dashing out money to the market. Don't buy at the peak. When it spikes this way, just hold on because a lot of people are going to withdraw. This is like party time. I don't withdraw at the party time area. Party time, a lot of people are just withdrawing their money for parties. So I don't join at that point. I join when it dips. You see there was a sharp rise here, right? It cleared 1-0 at this point. So when it dips this way, you can buy because mostly if you have studied these coins over the months, over the years, you realize that every time it drops on a very high peak, eventually there's another high peak that happens after the fall has stalled. There's another peak that always happens in the future. It always happens. So if it falls, if you are in it and it goes up and it falls, you'd have to be a little bit patient. But the reason why for me I withdrew my Starbase was it had only fallen just by a few cents, and I felt it wasn't going to go up. But if you entered here and the fall is such that you are still in profit, I feel you should, still hold on, because there's hope for you. But there was a coin recently. There was a coin that shot into 4 digits in dollars. I think it moved from cents to about $2,000. Let me show you that coin. So Kishu Inu is a good buy token. Where is it? Capital X. This is the coin. It was so dangerous. If you entered at the top, you are doomed. It's down to 4 cents. This is what happened. This is what happened on the coin. 4 cents. It's gone back to factory settings. 5 cents, 4 cents. And all this while, January, February, March, December, it was still at this point. Then one mysterious night, I don't know what happened. It shot up to $2,700. Capital X. When I saw this, I was like, wow. Let's do the calculation here. Let's say I invested $10, right? $10 to buy me some Capital X, which was 4 cents at the time. I would get 250 Capital X's. Now 250 times the 2,700 it rose to, it's gonna give me $675,000. So if I had invested just $10, I would be worth $675,000 at the time of the spike. Can you imagine? Even when it dropped to $700, and I hadn't withdrawn my money. Okay, even I would have been worth 700 times 250. 700 times 250. $175,000. I'll be settled. It's crazy. It's just crazy. $10.5. It looks interesting. $10.5. Barbecue swap finance. Such coins won't last so long in the market. Wow. No wonder. It looks very, very delicious and juicy. 13 cents to about 24. 13 cents to about 24, 23. That's probably 2x. That's 2x on your money. Which is okay. 2x on your meme token. 100x potential. 1000x potential. That's all we are looking for. And that is why I go for coins with multiple zeros. Right, multiple zeros. Let's see. Doge token. Lonely fans. Okay, I think they are trying to be creative here from OnlyFans to Lonely Fans, and it has risen by what? 156,000%. How many zeros? 8 zeros. Wow. Even look at this drop. Look at this drop. To 8 zeros. Look at this drop. Come on. It was less than 10 zeros. And here was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 zeros and a 1. Up until 8 zeros and a 2. 8 zeros and a 2. 8 zeros. No, 9 zeros and a 1 to 8 zeros and a 2, which is 10x. Or no, 20x. That's 20x. Wow. And some of these coins, you think they are dead. By the time you realize, they shoot up again. Why do we always miss out on such coins? Why? Why? Doge token is also moving massively. There are a lot of copycats when it comes to Doge. There are a lot of Doge coins that are copycats. Doge coin, baby Doge, Papa Doge, Mama Doge, or Uncle Doge and Auntie Doge. All kinds of Doges. 4 zeros and a 1 to 1 0 and a 1. Wow. Where have I been? I just wonder, where have I been? I don't have to ever miss out on 1000x potential coins. I think I have to just be looking at the charts and spot whenever a coin is rushing up, because I'm missing a lot. Yeah. It's just wow. It's just wow. You ask yourself, where were you? Mini football is struggling a little bit because people keep withdrawing. And that's the part that is not fun. You have a lot of people withdrawing but it's also good, because I think a withdrawal is generally good for a coin, because if it trends upward continuously and it never drops, it means that at a point in time it's going to show a very sharp drop in the market, which is probably going to affect you. So sometimes it's good, it goes for a while, it drops again, goes for a while, drops again, but it shouldn't spike too much up, because if that happens, there will be a sharp drop in it, because everyone feels at that point in time we have to start withdrawing. Yeah, so that's the price. Mini football has 4.4. You know, when I started the stream, it had $4.1 in trading volume within 24 hours, but now it stands at 4.4, and I entered around this area. Yes, I'm back again. So, as I was saying, there is a huge spike in the trading volume of mini football. If you just joined the stream, kindly subscribe and hit the notification icon. So whenever I go live or update you with a trending coin, a coin that is about to trend, you would get to know. And mini football just dropped sharply because some people have started withdrawing, but I'm still holding. I'm still holding on to the coin. Taste NFT trended for a while and it's falling now. I also have a video on it. But it's always good for the coin to fall. Granddaddy Doge. Yeah, It's always good or healthy for a coin to fall because it doesn't have to trend for a very long time in one particular direction, especially when it's supposed to go up. It shouldn't trend upward for a long time. It should fall along the line. I think there was, yeah, let me check the granddaddy Doge. Oh, there's nothing like that. I thought someone had created granddaddy Doge. All right. I have to get something to eat. All right, so let's check the daily of. Okay, so this was the sharp drop. All right, but I still hoping it's gonna go up. It's always good entering at this point. So let's check other ones. Seed is too pricey. Seed is too pricey. What of the big dogs? The ranking coins, Bitcoin. I don't think if you want to trade crypto, you should invest in Bitcoin by now. Unless of course it drops to about 20,000, then fine, it's worth the investment. What do you think? I don't think Bitcoin is worth the investment now because it's too high. That is, unless of course you're a millionaire and want to invest by buying one Bitcoin and hoping that it will go up. Apart from that, I think it's not worth the investment now. Ethereum is okay because it's not so high. It's likely to get to 10,000 in about 2-3 years time. As for Cardano, it has so much room to grow. This will be worth $10 one day, but I haven't yet bought. I'll probably get some money and buy some Cardano. It was as little as 4 cents 2019 November. The thing is, you never know when a coin is going to grow. That's the surprising thing about it, because it was 10 cents. It's $2 today, but it's going to fall again because this peak will definitely fall. This peak will fall. This peak will fall. Right? Sharp rise here. No, a gradual rise rather. It's going to fall up onto this area, 2.3. Then probably bounce back up again because this was a solid support point or support area. And then BNB is definitely going to rise. It almost hit 7,000 and it fell when the Bitcoin crashed. So there is more room for growth for BNB. But I think it's also a good time to sell BNB because it's going to drop again. After those sharp rises, it's always a good time to sell. Dogecoin, 32 cents. This coin was nothing some years back. Literally nothing. And ICP, Internet Protocol. This, I almost made a loss by investing in this when it was around $400. I almost invested in it. Let me show you the chart. This is how it's falling. You see that? $400. And it's around 68 today. So when it was falling, I think around 400, 300 between this area, I wanted to buy because I thought, okay, it's going to go up. And at the same time, I was just going by instinct. I was like, nah, what if this thing falls? And then it dropped all the way to $29. At this point, I should have bought. I know, still skeptical. I was thinking maybe it was going to drop up to maybe $1 or $5. So I didn't buy. I didn't buy. Ether. How do people make money from Ether? I think you have to have a lot of money to be able to make money from Ether, or Tether rather, because Tether stands at $1, and this is what happens. I think it was in the last time it fell to 60 cents was 2015. So if you bought in 2015 at 60 cents when it fell, then you will really be making money on it. But then it is set at $1, as we all know. It's always set at $1, which means that you only be getting less than 1 cent on it, which also means you should have about 100 million or $10 million to be able to make something substantial out of this coin. I don't know if billionaires invest in crypto apart from Elon Musk and maybe Bezos and Cuban. The rest don't really talk about crypto. 57.6 billion trading volume in Tether. Uniswap 28.7. These high price coins, I don't buy them. Tron was 50 cents, I think, last month, and I missed out on it. Yeah, somewhere here. Let me go to the monthly chart. Even in July, it was around 5 cents. No, 5 cents rather, not 50 cents, 5 cents. Yeah, that was last month, 5 cents. Yeah, it dropped below the 5 cent mark. And today is at 9 cents, which is about 2x. Yeah. All right, so I will be bringing my stream to a close. We've been streaming for quite some time now. I'm bringing it to a close. Thanks for joining me. Kindly subscribe and notify, turn the notification icon on to always stay in the know when I'm online or when I release a video on a trending coin. I really appreciate you joining me. Thanks for your time. Thanks for your company. You made this live stream worthwhile. Right, so have a good day, and it's a bye.